In the snowy villages of Switzerland, kindness takes an unexpected but heartwarming shape through solar-powered cat shelters designed specifically for stray felines. These compact wooden huts, often tucked near train stations, backyards, and parks, come equipped with small solar panels on the roof. During harsh winters, the sun's energy is stored and used to gently warm the inner surface of the shelter, giving stray cats a safe and cozy refuge from freezing conditions. The shelters are insulated, weather-resistant, and designed to hold just enough heat to keep the chill at bay. Not too hot, not too cold, but perfectly feline-friendly. Local animal welfare groups and volunteers. What makes the initiative even more impressive is its sustainability. There's no electricity used, no wires running through snowy ground, and no disruption to the ecosystem. The entire setup thrives on green energy, proving that even the smallest interventions can be both environmentally friendly and deeply humane. These shelters don't just protect strays, they reflect a culture where technology and empathy coexist in thoughtful ways. In a world often driven by speed and scale, Switzerland quietly reminds us that saving lives can also mean warming a single rooftop, one paw print at a time. #Solar Shelters, Swiss Kindness, Winter for Strays.